I'll do an original. I wrote this for Chris. It's called Lover's Realm.
Nobody wants to hear it.
Do now.
I do.
Walk me down the byway, though it seems not to be too clear or bright, as dusky skies beckon to the night. Come the morning, we'll go the safe way, moss-filled branches hanging high, and dew-drenched grasses yearning up for the sky. What's to see, what's to know, it seems to be. Things do come and go, but her heart is rare and beating fills this air as she's nearby with those blissful eyes. What's to see, oh I think I know, seems to be things now do show that mystery it might overwhelm. Her life is clear in this lover's realm. Tell me a story or two. Tell me just how love has found you so much, or maybe a fable told of your sweet touch. Oh, might I hear it now? Oh yes, please. Sailing like the songs in the heavenly breeze, lifting up high that lilting tone of your voice. Shall I wonder anymore? The choice is made to walk through that door. Time to praise a force from up high. No longer need to question why. What's to see, what's to know? Seems to be things do come and go. Her heart is rare and beating, feels the air as she's nearby with blissful eyes. What's to see, I think I know.